This is how to play Avulekileamasango. So I will first play it and break it down. After I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe. So it starts right here. Avulekileamasango. Hi, hi, yo. Hi, hi, yo. Yeah, yeah, yo. Amen. Avulekileamasango. Hi, hi, yo. Hi, hi, yo. Yo. Amen. So this is how we play it, okay? So before wasting of time, let me break it down in G sharp, okay? Which is also A flat, okay? So it starts right here. Avulekileamasango. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Oh, oh. You doesn't move here, okay? Oh, amen. Okay? So, very simple. Like 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Okay? It's like you say, oh, oh, 5, then 1. 1, I, oh, 5, 1, 2, I, 1, 5, 1. Okay? So this is how we play it. Is this one? Amen. So this is how we play it. So let's go to F sharp, okay? So in F sharp it starts right here. Avulekileamasango. Hi, 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 hi. Sorry. Hi, 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 whoa, oh. Amen. Okay. Hi, hi. Progression is the same. It's like 1, 5, 2, 1. You can say, then 5, then you come to close. Okay, so it's very simple, this one. So let's go to C sharp. No? In C sharp it starts right here. Sorry. Yo, amen. Okay, so okay, amen. Okay, hi, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then you close it. Okay, yeah, this is our song. Thank you guys.